Best Under-Desk Pedal Exerciser. Are you looking for the best under-desk pedal exerciser? In this video we will look at some of the best under-desk pedal exerciser on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DeskCycle 2 Under-Desk Bike. The DeskCycle Under-Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser is a compact, low-impact stationary exercise bike designed for use at home or in the office. It fits easily under most desks and allows users to stay active while working, studying, or watching TV. The bike is especially popular among people who spend long hours sitting, as it promotes better circulation, burns calories, and helps improve focus and energy levels without disrupting productivity. This exerciser comes in two versions, the standard model and an adjustable height version. The adjustable height model allows for more flexibility in pedal position, making it suitable for desks as low as 27 inches. Both versions are quiet and smooth, thanks to a magnetic resistance mechanism with 8 resistance levels, making them ideal for shared workspaces or quiet environments. One of the key advantages of the DeskCycle is its whisper-quiet operation and smooth pedal motion, which results from a high-inertia flywheel. It's also designed to be stable and low-profile, preventing wobbling or sliding during use. The digital display tracks speed, distance, time, and calories burned, offering users useful feedback during workouts. The DeskCycle supports a wide range of users, including seniors and those undergoing physical therapy, due to its gentle, low-impact design. It's fully assembled out of the box and requires minimal setup. While it doesn't offer a full-body workout, it's excellent for passive exercise during sedentary tasks. In summary, the DeskCycle is a well-built, compact pedal exerciser that enhances physical activity without interrupting daily routines. Its dual height options, silent operation, and customizable resistance make it suitable for a variety of users and environments, from home offices to classrooms. Number 2. Flexispot Home Office Height Adjustable Cycle Desk Bike. The Flexispot V9 3-in-1 exercise bike is a versatile fitness and productivity solution designed for home or office use. It combines a stationary exercise bike, a height-adjustable work desk, and a pedal exerciser, offering users a way to stay active while working, studying, or reading. With a 350-pound weight capacity, the V9 is built with a heavy-duty frame, ensuring durability and stability for long-term use. The bike features 8 adjustable resistance levels, making it suitable for light pedaling or more intense workouts. Its whisper-quiet operation allows for exercise without disturbing others, making it ideal for shared spaces. The built-in LCD display tracks essential metrics such as time, speed, distance, and calories burned, helping users stay motivated and monitor their progress. One of the standout features is its integrated desktop, which is fully adjustable in height and horizontally movable, offering ergonomic support whether you're typing, writing, or reading. The extra-wide cushion seat is also height-adjustable and designed for comfort during extended use. The seat can be easily removed to convert the bike into a compact pedal exerciser for under-desk use. Assembly is minimal. Users can set it up in minutes without tools. Built-in rolling casters make it easy to move around the home or office. Whether you want a full cycling session, light pedaling while working, or simply a standing desk setup, the Flexispot V9 offers all three. In summary, the Flexispot V9 3-in-1 is a multifunctional, space-saving solution for anyone looking to stay fit while working from home. With its strong build, ergonomic design, and quiet operation, it caters to a range of fitness and productivity needs in one compact package. Number 3. Vaunn Folding Pedal Exerciser. The Vaunn Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser with an electronic display is a compact and convenient fitness machine designed for low-impact, indoor exercise, particularly suitable for individuals engaging in physical therapy or those seeking to stay active while working or sitting. Its portable design allows users to easily place it under a desk or table, making it ideal for multitasking, whether at home or in an office setting. The machine operates smoothly, providing a gentle cardio workout, and is suitable for people of all fitness levels, including seniors or those recovering from injuries. The pedal exerciser features adjustable resistance settings, allowing users to tailor the intensity of their workout according to their needs. The pedals are ergonomically designed to offer comfort during use, with a non-slip surface to ensure stability. The electronic display tracks key metrics such as time, speed, distance, and calories burned, helping users monitor their progress and stay motivated. This device is also equipped with a quiet motor, ensuring a noise-free experience, making it ideal for use in shared spaces or offices. Its lightweight and compact frame make it easy to store and transport, and it can be used while sitting in a chair or on a couch. The Vaunn Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser is an excellent choice for those seeking a practical, low-impact exercise option that promotes physical activity throughout the day, especially for people with limited space or those looking for a way to exercise while working. Number 4. Stamina Inmotion Elliptical. The Stamina Inmotion Compact Strider is a versatile, budget-friendly elliptical trainer designed for use both seated and standing, making it ideal for home or office workouts. Its compact dimensions, 24 inches by 18 inches by 12 inches, and lightweight build, 24 pounds, allow for easy storage and portability, while the built-in handle enhances convenience. Equipped with adjustable resistance, the Strider enables users to customize workout intensity. The bidirectional pedaling feature allows for forward and reverse motion, targeting different muscle groups in the legs. Additionally, the included resistance tubes with padded handles facilitate upper body workouts, providing a full-body exercise experience. The multifunction monitor tracks essential metrics such as strides, time, and calories burned, helping users monitor their progress. For a more guided workout experience, the Strider is compatible with the Move Smart Workout app, offering personalized coaching and exercise demos. Despite its advantages, some users have reported durability concerns, including squeaking noises and decreased fluidity over time. The short stride length may also resemble stair climbing more than a traditional elliptical motion. Additionally, the plastic housing has been noted to feel flimsy, which might affect long-term durability. Overall, the Stamina Inmotion Compact Strider offers an affordable and space-saving solution for low-impact cardio and toning exercises. While it may not replace a full-sized elliptical trainer, it serves as a practical option for those seeking convenient and versatile fitness equipment. Number 5. DeskCycle Ellipse Under Desk Elliptical. The DeskCycle Ellipse Leg Exerciser is a compact and efficient under-desk elliptical machine designed to provide a low-impact, full-body workout while seated. It is specifically designed to fit under desks, making it ideal for individuals who want to stay active while working, studying, or sitting for extended periods. This pedal exerciser allows users to engage in leg exercises to improve circulation, reduce sedentary behavior, and promote overall fitness without having to leave their seat. With its ergonomic design, the DeskCycle Ellipse features smooth, quiet operation, allowing users to pedal without disturbing their work or environment. The elliptical motion is designed to minimize strain on the joints, providing a gentle workout that is easy on the knees and hips. This makes it an excellent choice for people with limited mobility or those looking for a low-impact workout. The machine is equipped with a range of resistance levels, allowing users to adjust the intensity based on their fitness goals and preferences. It also includes a built-in display that tracks important metrics such as time, speed, distance, and calories burned, helping users monitor their progress and stay motivated. Additionally, the DeskCycle Ellipse is designed for durability, with sturdy construction and high-quality components that ensure long-lasting use. Its compact size makes it easy to store when not in use, and the lightweight design makes it portable for easy transportation between locations. Overall, the DeskCycle Ellipse Leg Exerciser offers an effective and convenient way to incorporate physical activity into a busy lifestyle. Its low impact, adjustable resistance, and user-friendly features make it a valuable tool for anyone looking to improve their health and fitness while sitting.